Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need the right edition and virtualization enabled. That's non-negotiable. First, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and enable Intel VTX or AMD, then boot back to Windows. Once done, open Start, type optional features, EXE, and press Enter. In Windows Features, check Windows Sandbox and Windows Hypervisor Platform, then click OK. You'll see installation and a reboot prompt. Go ahead and restart. This ensures the Hypervisor and Sandbox feature are present before you continue to create isolated sessions safely. Once Windows has restarted, launch Windows Sandbox from the Start menu. You get an ephemeral desktop every time. You can drag a downloaded installer into that window or copy-paste files to test without risk. If you need persistent access to specific folders or network controls, create a WSB XML file with mapped folders and network settings and open it instead. This customizes the session. Make sure to save your WSB outside the sandbox. The sandbox itself discards changes on close, which is by design. To finish, run experiments inside the sandbox and simply close the window to wipe the state. Remember to export any files you want to keep before closing. If the sandbox fails to start, make sure Hyper-V and related features are enabled, virtualization remains active in BIOS, and you're on a supported Windows edition. For one key troubleshooting tip, check Device Guard or Credential Guard settings and disable them if they conflict. Then review Event Viewer and run msinfo32 to confirm virtualization-based security or feature conflicts and resolve them.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.